Dear students, all of you welcome. I am very much glad to meet you for today classes. I wish to tell something about the rivets and riveted joints today. All of you welcome again. Here a clear picture of a rivet is there. These are specially used for permanent fastening. Fastening is very necessary to assemble the machines and the sheet metal workers and in the use of fabricators also. That's why rivet makes a permanent fastening. When the occasion of dismantling, it should be destroyed for the dismantling. That's why the rivets are falls under the category of permanent fasteners. There are so many types of rivets used for the various purposes. Bifurcated rivet, snap head rivet, pan head rivet, countersink head rivet, and so on. Here is one simple figure of the snap head rivet. See this one. The parts of rivets shown here clearly. See one by one and study head, shank, tail, and D. D refers for diameter of the rivet. Especially one definition is there for the rivets. That is, rivet is a cylindrical rod of either carbon steel or wrought iron or of non-ferrous metal. It consists of head, shank, and tails. Rivets are also used to hold the plates or steel sections firmly, just as in the steam boilers, griders, steel structures, ship buildings, etc. For riveting, before going to riveting, the riveting sheet should be drilled from punching or by drilling. See this one. This is the satisfactory design of the snap head rivet. See this one. On the basis of this diameter of rivet, almost all the sizes can be calculated according to the designated design. Here, the head of the rivet is 1.6 times of the diameter of the rivet and height is 0.7 times and the length of rivet is 0.125 d. See this one. This is the rounded countersink head rivet. This is used in the building works and heavy construction work. This is snap head rivet. This is used to general purpose usage. This one is pan head rivet. This is conical head rivet. And this one is countersink head rivet. Rivets are also broadly classified as structural rivets, boiler rivets, small rivets for general work, rivets for shipbuilding, and rivets for aerocraft rivets. And also, the boiler rivets are generally used as per Indian Standard 1928 to 1961. They are classified into snap head rivet, ellipsoidal rivet, and panhead rivet, panhead with a taper neck rivet, conical head rivet, countersink head rivet, rounded countersunk head rivet, flat head rivet, and steeple head rivet. This is the lesson heard about the rivets and its types. Students, all of you, thank you for hearing and cooperating with me. Thank you once again. See you in the